2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, fog lights, security system, side airbag, power brakes, CD player, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, tachometer, center console, rear view camera, power mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.